In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated presentations in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to an AI-built presentation that matches your topic, your style, and your audience. Start on the main dashboard of Canva. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, with your recent designs and the left-hand navigation panel. On that left side, look for the option labeled Canva AI. Click it to open the AI interface. This is where you'll have a simple back and forth chat that guides the entire presentation creation process. In the chat box, describe what you want. For example, you could type, "I want a kindergarten ABC presentation." Think of this first message as your headline request. The AI will then follow up with questions to personalize the result. You might see prompts about the look and tone you prefer, the purpose of the presentation, and how many pages you want. When the AI asks about style, choose the vibe that fits your audience. Minimalist keeps slides clean and simple, with plenty of space and a limited color palette. Playful is brighter and more fun, great for kids or lighthearted topics. Organic tends to feel natural and warm, with softer shapes and textures. For tone, pick educational if you want clear teaching points, casual if you want a friendly and relaxed feel, or professional if it's for work or formal settings. When asked about the number of pages, give a realistic count based on your content. For instance, a kindergarten ABC presentation might work well with around 10 to 15 pages, but choose what suits your plan. As you answer, be specific. If you have a theme color, mention it. If you need images or icons, say so. If there are must-have sections, include them in your responses. The more detail you provide in this chat, the better the AI can tailor your slides. Once you've answered the questions and everything looks right, click Submit. Then wait a moment while Canva generates your presentation. This can take a short while depending on your connection and the complexity of your request. You'll see it build out the slides based on your topic, your chosen style, your tone, and the page count you provided. That's all there is to it. Start on the main dashboard. Open Canva AI on the left. Describe what you need, refine the style and tone as prompted, set your page count, and hit Submit. With just a quick conversation, you'll have a complete AI-generated presentation ready for you to review and use.